First of all, let me convey my compliments to the participants for such a nostalgic and fantastic performance. Special compliments to the teachers, to the staff who really helped these students, groomed these students to present such a beautiful program. Well, students, I hope all of you know that today is Children's Day, right?
Yes, sir.
And why is it Children's Day? Means what is the significance of this particular day? Anybody please? Yes, I can see. It's so nice to see that I can see one hand. Yes, the girl. Come on, say loudly. Bolo, yes.
बच्चे लोग को बहुत पसंद करते थे और वो चाहते थे कि उनके बर्थडे के दिन हम लोग
किसके?
पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू
Yes. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, right?
Yes, sir.
And he was the, what was the position in the country? He was the first,
Prime Minister.
yes, the first Prime Minister of our nation. And he used to like the children very much. And especially in the midst of the children, he was famous by the name, what? Yes, really glad to hear the voices from you. So this is the significance of this particular day. On this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born, and to commemorate his memories, we call this day the Children's Day, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what I feel is on this special day you should take a pledge, okay, that what will be your duty? See, Pandit Nehru has worked for the nation. He was also a freedom fighter, and his contribution in making the independence of our country is, really praiseworthy, right?
Yes, sir.
So the idea is very simple. Now what he expected from the children of our country, he always wanted that each and every child, the children of our country, must be equipped with the knowledge, power, and the latest gadgets of technology, so that our children, or the children of our nation, will be able to face the challenging world which is coming tomorrow. So the idea is very simple, that you have to be very particular in doing your duty. Your duty in this particular age, what is it? That you have to study hard, you have to make your parents as well as your school proud of you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This should be your target. Then only you can achieve your dream. Well, I hope all of you have got the syllabus of the PT2.
Yes, sir.
Are you studying hard?
Yes, sir.
See, you have enjoyed a lot in your Deepavali vacation and the Chhath Puja. But now the periodic test 2 I think, right?
Yes, sir.
The periodic test 2 is knocking the door. So did you complete your syllabus?
Yes, sir.
All of you have got the relevant notes in your notebooks.
Yes, sir.
In case you don't have, you must consult your teachers and you must get those. Okay? And after that, you have to study, and your target is to get the highest mark in the class. Remember, attendance is mandatory. You must attend the school regularly. You must be in contact with your teachers. They are working hard to teach you, to groom you, to turn you into a good citizen. So what is your contribution? You have to be with them. You have to work hard. to make the school proud and your parents proud. So the idea is very simple. Make your notebooks ready, study hard. In case your notebooks or any of the part of the notebooks are not checked, get it checked by your teachers, so that in the examination you will be able to write the exact answer or the correct answer. Right?
Yes, sir.
So with these words, I would like to end up. Over to the commander. Thank you.
Every year, it is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and he was a great leader. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much and known as Chacha Nehru. Because of his love, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Children's Day is also known as Bal Divas. Once Pandit Nehru said that children of today will make the India tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of country. Children's Day is succeeded when the all children free from child labor and give a right education. So my dear friends, let's forward our Chacha Nehru dream. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's not the person I don't blame. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause they understand. They don't understand. I'm gonna finish all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my mess away, making my bitch give me everyone say you go. So take me and fly away. I've never been so far away. No, nobody gonna make it keep me safe. I'm on my way. It's on the rise, I'm going running in my eyes. Nobody gonna make it keep me safe. I'm on my way.
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हले हले झरोके चले खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे कभी कभी पाँव जरा चले आओ ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रत्ता जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई
हमारा चौक बार गया तो मैं ना दोबारा समझ लो जिंदगी हवा का इशारा मेरे यारो अपना हल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो कभी संभल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो कभी संभल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो You never know when we're having a blast, singing oh oh oh. Living every day like it's your last, singing oh oh oh. Living for today, letting go of the past, singing oh oh oh.
आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं कल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ वक्त जरा फैलाओ अंदर टकराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुनने सापा धारे गारे गामा पसा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या पल भिगो के ये फोटो बनाए हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुल के सचे आओ वक्त जरा फैलाओ अंदर दिखाओ चलो 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 मेरे ख्वाब बुने और ट्रक के क्यों टैंकर फुल आंखें बंद तो डब्बा फुल बंद दरवाजे खोल रे रोजा बिंदा